Summer and the sight of these beautiful flowers still away. But there's something to do with the garden. Let's cook something. Something nourishing, something filling, and something delicious. And above all, it's simple. We can cook it anywhere. And it's the inaugural dish of my new kitchen, simple kitchen at the shed. And my manang Grace is back. It's her binignit. Tambo-tambong for binignit and inauguration. How about that? Join me for this special edition.
Pakuko na. This is an easy dish, really. No matter where we are, we can do it. Even here at the shed, in the garden, we can make this.
This is a departure from our usual format. There's less talking, but more views of the preparation. Immersive. Enjoy it.
Pag nga malungyo ako, iyak sila
Ay, tambo-tambong manang inaugurasyon si kusina.
Aso, nag-iimas. Adamot ti tambo-tambong ko ngayon hapon. Gusto ko sudah kasama. Kanuna niya naloo. May mayat. Hindi niya naloo.
You might not believe that this sago or tapioca pearl cooks in less than 5 minutes. So we just boiled it in the same water as the kamote and the banana. You may not see it well, but I'm adding now the coconut milk or coconut cream.
Nasagok ka, kasi tuwan, manang din na 5 minutes at
Tambo-tambong. Kasi tambo-tambong tumpaw data. Nalutog. Bigla malutog.
I think there's hope. Look at our coconut cream. We're short of coconut cream, obviously, but we can retouch it later. Yeah, tomorrow we will repair it. Yeah, we just want to inaugurate our new kitchen with my mother Grace, and also at the same time it's her welcome party because she's back in the garden. Easy to make ginataang or tambong-tambong. A small inauguration of my new kitchen.